Good morning, everybody. It's a little loud in here this morning. I've got egg whites going over here in the KitchenAid. I'm making some of these potato pancakes from the old country store recipes book. A lot of y'all wanted to know about these or wanted to see them made, so we're gonna try them out this morning. So I've got 4 egg whites over there in the mixer. Now I'm gonna get 4 egg yolks. I already have some whites in the refrigerator. I'm just gonna add the yolk straight in here with these potatoes. It says 2 cups of shredded potatoes. I used frozen, but you can use fresh. I just thawed these out in the microwave for just a minute. So I'm just gonna put my whites in this little bowl over here, and we'll drop the yolks in there with the potatoes. I've got sausage cooking. I'm about to start the coffee. I just dropped that yolk in there. And we have a few cinnamon rolls left from when I made those Friday. Those were really good, y'all. If you missed that video, I'll link it down below. So we're having old-fashioned cinnamon rolls and old general store potato cakes this morning with some sausage. Let me flip this real quick. The kids are all getting ready for church. I haven't gotten ready yet because I didn't want my clothes to smell like sausage. Alright, we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in here. A little bit of salt.
Nothing like the smell of salt.
And we need a tablespoon of flour. We'll use our heart spatula this morning. I got this and the pan I'm going to be making these potato cakes in from TJ Maxx. We went there last night. They have a lot of the pots and pans like I have, y'all. A lot of y'all ask about them. They have a lot of them right now, at least at the TJ Maxx that we go to. They have little mini electric food processors. That's cute. Yeah. What else we got? Somebody left their coffee here. We always find people's coffees and things they left, don't we? Avocado smasher. Peelers. Here's some straw cleaners. Oh, look, here's a pastry crimper. That's neat. $3.99.
What's that?
That, which one? Oh, that's just little clips to seal up bags and stuff.
Lemon squeeze.
Here's some snack bags.
Snack bag.
Bumblebees, yeah.
If you're going on a picnic, you can use that.
That's a cute coffee set. Mug and mini mug. How much are these? What'd you find? Oh, you found a frisbee thing? This is $12.99. That's a pretty teapot. And look, this is really pretty. This is like one of those coffee maker things that Titus got. He got a little one. How much is this? $16.99. That's pretty. Little pots right here. That's a pretty one. What's the brand? It is Authentic Kitchen. That's pretty. This bento box has little flowers and all on it. That's pretty. $4.99.
We do need something to hold our bananas.
Do we?
Yeah.
Here's a chocolate covered pretzel Valentine canister. Snoopy Valentine's measuring cups. Those are cute. $16.99. Snoopy expensive. Here's some different teas for you. Earl Grey and Honey Lemon. And it's Winnie the Pooh Day. Did y'all know that today was Winnie the Pooh Day?
Winnie the Pooh?
It is. Yeah, and here's some Winnie the Pooh tea. Honey and lemon or Earl Grey. They're only $6.99. Oh, look, they have Wake Up Joe coffee. This is really good coffee. I've never tried the donut kind. You want to try the donut kind?
Yeah.
We know the Wake Up Joe regular is good. You don't want the Winnie the Pooh tea, though?
No.
You gonna pass? Okay. Oh, look, they have the Joe coffee syrup, salted caramel. Sweetie pie ground coffee, blueberry pie. Oh, look at this. Double cereal dispenser. That's neat. Valentine's Day heart.
Oh, folks, just let me tell you about this. Don't try it. Don't try it. I've already tried the Christmas version. This is nothing but this needs to be cut and just be a frisbee. That's what that needs to be.
What was the other thing I told you I needed? A 9x13. Oh yeah, and a big frying pan. Yeah, I like that one, but what about that? I kind of like the white one behind this. Well, that one's a little one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this one? That one's good right there.
This one?
A lot of people ask about our pots and pans. This is mostly where we get them from, but they're different brands. Yeah.
I mean, they last for a while.
This is the D&W. That's what most of them are. D&W. It's Dean and White. I also have, I know one that's a Pioneer Woman one that looks kind of the same, but it's not exactly. See, this one, it looks just like the D&W brand, but it's Masterclass. It is $29.99 for that
What
big
would
one.
you do with it though? It's almost big enough to bathe in.
They are
Cece, what about these?
Wow.
These are really cute.
Mom, look at Sissy. I just found the butter.
Now we fold in the egg whites.
What are we making this morning, Mom?
This is, they call them potato pancakes. I've just been calling them potato cakes, so it's from the Old Country Store Recipes book.
Oh, up in the mountain.
Yeah, I can't remember where we got. Did we get this from that general store in Dahlonega? This little cookbook?
I don't know. I gotta be honest with you. I thought maybe you got that up in Kitchenware or something.
No, it was one of the stores around here. I think it was the general store in Dahlonega. You better watch out too. Look, he's already ready. You'll be smelling like sausage while you're up there this morning.
I don't care. That'll make them like me better. Be like, you know what? That preacher had a good smell to him. It was a country smell. It smelled just like something I smelled when I was a kid. What kind of cologne he had on? I think they call it Jimmy Dean.
Okay, y'all, this said drop by Tablespoonfuls.
These are gonna be interesting.
I got it on medium because it didn't really say what temperature. That's the way those old recipes are sometimes.
That spatula didn't move on its own, everybody. I actually pulled that back. I didn't want to think that was some kind of weird thing going on. Right? How'd that spatula move?
Okay, let's see what happens here. Fry until golden brown on both sides. I think the sausage is done. I feel like I need some butter in there. I put bacon drippings. We're going to add some butter too. This is going to make a lot more of these than I thought.
Let's turn the pan right here
Okay.
and get that butter on down in there.
You see that pan's non-stick? They just slide around like a little
That bumper cars.
They're like little potato, fluffy egg potato
Little
clouds.
clouds.
Yeah. I got it on medium. I didn't want to go up too high. Bump it up a little bit.
Might have to bump it up a little bit. Otherwise we ain't late for Sunday school.
Yeah. Sorry we're late. We're frying our potato cake.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
that's nice.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Yeah, very nice.
He wants to put pancake syrup on them. I guess just because they're called
Pancakes.
potato pancakes.
Little pancake drip.
What's it like?
Really good with the bacon grease. Now I don't know if everybody would, use bacon grease, but I really like it. Kind of like a hash brown.
They're really light and
It's
fluffy.
a
like-
fluffy hash brown, like Waffle House kind of.
I agree with the bacon. You need that bacon
You
drippings
need the
in
bacon
there.
drip. Now that was good. Now you can also do a little sandwich.
That's a great idea.
Whoa, here! I just came up with something. I just came up with just about a moss griddle.
That's good.
Right there's the way you want to do this, y'all. Dip it in pancake syrup.
It's like a fluffy,
Watch out.
delicious hash brown. Crispy on the outside. That's good. That's really good.
Wow, you taste that right there, Mom. Pancake syrup on my nose.
y'all. Cinnamon roll icing, I think.
Oh, is it? That's really good. Do the little sausage duck out. That's delicious. We just got out of church, everybody.
We're going into Betty's.
Going into Betty's country store.
Oh, they love Betty's. Look at the excitement. Have a good day.
Hey, Mama, there are more spots in here.
What are you looking for?
Oh,
I know what they need, Mama.
What?
Look here, Skeeterback. Here's what everybody needs in life: a RC and a moon pie.
Yeah.
That goes together like peanut
Oh
butter
my
and jelly.
goodness, look, the moon pies are only 69 cents.
Everybody
Look,
want RC? Says you want RC? Well, I used to drink them all the time. They was cheaper than Coke.
Yeah.
That's the reason we drunk them.
That is buffalo wing, hot buffalo wings, pretzel pieces.
Want RC?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Here, you want a moon pie? Here, Sissy.
I get a vanilla.
You got one?
They
back?
got vanilla. You want vanilla?
I get a vanilla one.
You can have vanilla, little boy.
Tyler's picking what you got, sarsaparilla? Oh no, cream soda.
You want a moon pie to go with that, son? Cream covered pretzel balls.
They got Dr. Enough down there. It's a cherry Dr. Enough. Look, rich in vitamins.
Well, there you go.
Uh-oh, Jonah. Your dreams have come true. They do have the banana. They were on the bottom shelf. Here's some soap
We
boxes.
ain't never tried these.
Oh, you'll be on your own trying them.
I'll try them.
Mm-hmm.
Have y'all ever had any of these? Tell us, y'all. And if they're any good, we might pray about trying them. This is my favorite grocery store.
Is it?
Oh yeah, even though you got to pay $2 or $3 more on stuff. I still like it. It's got a country vibe to
Look
it.
at this country crock drizzle and sizzle.
I'm good mind to get this right here just to try it. This
Yeah.
is banana nut.
Oh, you found the peanuts?
Y'all remember the time we were trying to find Chiz Whiz?
Oh yeah.
Right there it is, folks. We almost never found it in here. You know what? Velveeta is something I always have on hand. Folks, don't come in a grocery store when you're hungry.
Here's where they have their section of Nora Meal Granary stuff right here.
This is Pioneer's Porridge. Old-fashioned cured ham right there.
Yeah, country ham.
Look at this right here now. We got a blood sausage.
Oh, what is that about?
I don't know. Ingredients: pork
Frozen? Yeah.
snouts, pork jaws, beef blood.
Oh yeah.
Okay, folks, this is for vampires.
This is my favorite spot of Betty's Country Store because it looks like an old general store still. I feel like you step back in time and
I just did.
Yeah, you can
I'll
dip
show
in
you.
there. Oh no, Daddy, please don't. Oh my. Oh dear.
That's really good right there.